Hello guys, this is Ron Tips. Today I show you how to make a table chart in Google Sheets. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me and show you how to do it. Alright, and this first open Google Sheets and create new project or open your old project. Okay, open project, and this view category and amount and click on car. Press Shift your keyboard and click on this, select all category, select all amount. Okay, and that's all. No, that's all. And in left corner, click on Insert and click on Chart. Open your Windows right corner chart editor. This don't open and click on this, double click and open. Okay, click on Setup and chart type, click on this, scroll down and search other and search table chart. No, yeah, and this, click on this and you create table chart and click on customize and this alternative. Okay, and this sort column 1, column 2, none, and this, and that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. Bye bye.